Now that we've covered the implementation, let's wrap things up by summarizing everything we've learned about OLS regression and its real-world applications. Let's bring it all together. We've covered a lot, starting from the basics of ordinary least squares, OLS, regression all the way to its implementation in Python and R. Now let's bring everything together and reflect on what we've learned, because at its core, OLS regression is more than just a statistical formula. It's a fundamental tool for making sense of the world through data. OLS regression is built on a simple but powerful idea: finding the best fitting line that minimizes the sum of squared errors. It helps us quantify relationships, make predictions, and understand how different factors influence an outcome. Whether we're forecasting sales, analyzing economic trends, or measuring the impact of education on income, OLS gives us a structured way to extract insights from data. But as we've seen, it comes with assumptions: linearity, independence, homoscedasticity, and normality of residuals. If these assumptions hold, OLS works beautifully. If they don't, we need to adapt, whether by transforming variables, handling outliers, or switching to more robust regression techniques. We also explored common pitfalls, from multicollinearity to overfitting to the classic mistake of assuming correlation means causation. These are the challenges that separate great analysts from beginners. It's not just about running the model, but knowing when and how to trust the results. Then we took OLS from theory to practice, implementing it in Python and R, the two most widely used languages for statistical modeling and data science. We saw how LM in R and statsmodels in Python make regression modeling straightforward, but also how feature selection, data preprocessing, and validation play a critical role in getting accurate results. Beyond traditional statistics, we explored how OLS is foundational in machine learning. Even as AI advances, linear regression remains a core tool for interpretable, data-driven decision-making. In industries like finance, healthcare, economics, and marketing, regression models continue to shape policies, investments, and business strategies. So what's the big takeaway? OLS regression is one of the most important tools in data analysis, but it's only as powerful as the person using it. Understanding the math is great, but knowing when to apply it, when to adjust it, and when to challenge the results is what makes a true data scientist, economist, or analyst. And with that, we wrap up our journey through OLS regression. Whether you're using it to build predictive models, uncover hidden trends, or inform real-world decisions, remember that the power of OLS isn't just in the numbers, it's in the insights it helps us discover. Now, the next step is yours. Where will you take it?